Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my FE Pick episode 2. I'm Afshin Zavi and I'm your host for today. Today we are talking about a very interesting category which is David versus Goliath. But before I move on to the category, just to recap what is FE Pick all about. So what we did this year was after the last list, which was a nomination list, which went up on FE's website, we thought of launching a small poll for the nominees, and just to make it more interesting for you all out there, to go through the actual cases which are presented through these nominations, and because they make it for the second round as well, is quite interesting. Um, and we ran this poll um, this week. We ran this poll, and the company or the campaign which won this poll in David versus Goliath category is the hot tea stain. And we're to talk about this campaign. We have with us Sarah Zubair, who's the marketing manager of Packages Converters. And we have with us Hira Mohibullah, who's the Executive Creative Director, BBDO. Hi, Sarah and Hira.
Hello, Afshi. Hope you're well. Hello, Hira.
Hi, everyone. कैसे आप लोग?
Allah ka shukar, theek thaak, despite there's so much happening lately. I think that throughout the year, Hira and I, we've been only interacting on this platform.
FE is, I think it's FE is for me is a bridge between a lot of companies. For us also, it makes roads and paths for us also, and I think it's the same for an agency and a client out there. I think we've got a जिसे कहते हैं ना packed program with us, because this is all female one. I'm just being so biased today. The agency, the client is all represented by females. So there's before I move on to the actual campaign, are we able to show? Yeah. So before we move on to the actual work, मुझे ये बताएं कि how is the brand coping up with COVID, and how is the agency coping up with the COVID? How are the situations out there? And last year, Sarah, how did packages go about it? Like sale बढ़ गई थी, क्या हुआ था?
Okay, referring to packages, yes, there was a lot of uncertainty, especially if I refer to 2020, because we were not, honestly speaking, not only talking about packages, perhaps if I refer to corporate sector, corporate industry, we were not really prepared for what we have experienced. It's packages, it's Rose Petal, it's Nestle, it's Unilever. March, April, May, the entire, especially because right now I'm taking care of B2B segment. So B2B segment was thoroughly affected. I'm referring to hospitality segment, referring to commercial and travel and care as well. But now I think that, the team, sales team, especially the top management as well, somehow the other in this wave, though we are having the same challenges as well, but when we're referring to our volume and value and when we're referring to our growth too, obviously keeping precautions on the priority, keeping health and safety as priority, and that is something which packages has clearly told us to. They've been very alert. They've been very considerate with respect to work from home, especially those ladies who were expecting or those ladies who were not well, even for Salesforce as well. So now I think we as a team, we are more prepared, and because we are more prepared, we foresee few opportunities too. We came up with few innovation renovation. We had to completely change our innovation renovation pipeline. There were few products in the pipeline, but because we saw that there was more opportunity in sanitizer and face mask and in those segments, so we had to, because when one door closes, another door opens too. So it was because of the help of BBDO as well that we had a lot of sessions too, and somehow the other, because the entire situation, the story of 2020 changed, so did our course of action and so did the team, because that was the need of the hour. So I think that in last 12 months especially, the team has done a good job. Like, we ended our December on a record-breaking sales, so which is very surprising in an era where there's so much impact on the corporate sector. Most of the corporate sector couldn't even do well, but just because of these opportunities, as a team, we were able to grow out of it. And I think right now we are doing well as well.
How is BBTO coping up with it? अब I think अभी तो agencies में सब work from home हो रहा था, ना आज से 10 साल पहले या even 2 साल पहले हम imagine ही नहीं कर सकते थे कि कोई agency का बंदा घर बैठ के काम करेगा या घर बैठ के operate करेगा, especially in terms of like creative and brainstorming sessions.
I think even over at the
Hira, we can't hear you. Are you like?
I think maybe there's some distortion in there.
I think so too.
But I can tell you the side of BBTO though, like throughout the year, I think
we've always had that kind of structure where we said that we would, can you hear?
No, I think there's maybe some challenge with respect to your internet.
I think थोड़ा lag
I think there's my internet is glitching, but can you hear me now? Is it better?
अच्छा, नाम ले दो telco का जिसका आप इंटरनेट यूज करते हैं, फिर आप बता दे जो हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करके आप बता दें कौन सा इंटरनेट.
I'll try reconnecting.
Okay. Perfect. So while Hira just reconnects, I'll just share, how we have worked, because there were so many. Generally, what happens, Afshin, is that at the start of a year, we plan and we forecast and we plan month-on-month marketing calendar. We plan what is going to happen in June, what is going to happen in September, but somehow or the other, because of COVID, everything just went into a blender. Everything just changed. And I think that BBTO has been really on their toes. We literally used to give them a brief either on Monday that, okay, fine, this is a product we're launching, no matter what, within, this much time span, we have to design it, we have to go for it. And they've always been very supportive, despite the fact that agency was working from home. Despite these challenges as well, because we were so fond of having face-to-face meetings, having Monday daily Monday meetings, like someone from BBTO used to come to our office. We thought it's going to create a lot of challenges, but even then, though I think since 12 months we are just looking at one another through this platform, either it is Zoom or some other medium, but I think that it worked out for us and it has done a good job. Like BBTO's performance wasn't really affected. Now I think Hira is online. I don't know if she is or not.
I think अभी वो डिस्कनेक्ट हुए, but I think हम लोग सब वो जो 10 साल बाद बड़े होने थे वो हम लोग 10 साल पहले बड़े हो गए. I think
exactly.
In terms of technology and in terms of interaction जो हम कभी सोचते ही नहीं थे. We are just going. What we'll do is that we're going to start with your campaign. How do you want to go about it, Sara? पहले तो आप मुझे पता है मैं last time भी मैंने ये सवाल पूछा था with the agency and the client कि एक सवाल है हमारे फॉर्म के अंदर के आइडिया कहाँ ओरिजिनेट हुआ था और हमारे पास फॉर्म में आंसर आता है इन द बोर्डरूम. तो मुझे बताएं कि वो बोर्डरूम में ही एक्चुअली इसका आइडिया ओरिजिनेट हुआ था या यू गाइस हैड ऑलरेडी प्लान्ड, यू न्यू अबाउट दिस.
Okay. So I'll answer that. The question is, from where did the idea originated? The thing is that it will not be fair if there are a lot of people who are involved in this process, and over here I think it will not be fair if I talk about the hero of the show, and that is Miss Hashmat Effendi, who has dedicated 2 decades of her life in the cause. This is non-profit, unit of Shalamar Hospital, known as Hashmat Effendi Burn Ward, and they have treated 40,000 burn victims free of cost. So it's not only in Pakistan, perhaps it is one of the NGO which is also operating in America too, and they're, offering these services to children irrespective of caste, creed. They do not look at what the nationality is. It is only a child and the scar which they want to cure. So we have Babar Ali Foundation on our panel because you know about packages. Packages have different business units. We have Packages Mall, we have Rose Petal, we have Flexible, we have Carton Line, we have Babar Ali Foundation, which is completely taken care of in non-profit initiatives. So but it's very important to share the story. That's why I'm sharing this. I'm sharing the background with you. What happened was that when this cause was taken up with Babar Ali Foundation, Babar Ali himself was very much interest. He himself is a philanthropist, and he takes such projects very close to his heart. So I remember that Umar is the marketing head. He used to be the marketing head back in those days. I went to Mr. Umar, and I requested that if there's any possibility, if we can add any value to this project of ours, because this was over and above the domain of rose petal tissues. So we would consider ourselves lucky to play a role. And then we spoke to our team members in BBDO because we were so much already inclined and we were so much comfortable working on commercial activities. So we got a fantastic response. Like the response which we got from BBDO was something we were actually not expecting. They actually went over and above, and they went. We just shared that this is a problem. We just shared that it is shocking to see that just because of negligence, children are losing their lives just because of negligence of loved one, negligence of a mother, negligence of a father, grandmother, just because she wasn't careful enough while she was sipping the cup of tea, the child might lose his life. So it is just the best precaution is to avoid them. And this is how this was the insight. This was the biggest insight I wanted to take forward. And over here, BBDO came forward and they went over and above, in sharing ideas on how can we address this issue. So that is how it actually happened.
On to make this campaign viable. मुझे बताएं कि so basically it was the brand's idea and that's how it initiated और फिर सब ऐसे ऐसे जुड़ते गए जिसे कहते हैं ना साथ में.
Honestly speaking, Afshi, for this project, no one in the team, was in the shoes of a brand manager or a creator or a content writer, or like everyone was one team, and the only objective was to how to address this issue. That's it. There was no seniority, there were no hierarchy levels, there was no, okay, fine, I need to get approval. It was just that, okay, fine, we are a team of XYZ number of people, and we are blessed with this opportunity to protect someone out there. You never know that just because someone read a statement you wrote, they were careful and they protect their own nephew, nieces. So it was like we were not a brand at that time. We were just, you can say, humans to protect children. Abshi, I couldn't hear your question.
Okay. Now can you hear me?
Yeah, now I
आवाज-
can hear you because there was a lot of distortion.
Okay. So मैं आपसे my question was कि आपका ये insight develop हो गया, it's a brilliant insight. Then it went into you developed a proper strategy around brand को आप साथ में ले आए. Then you had more stakeholders on board. Hospital आ गया आपके साथ.
Afshi, again, I can't hear you. Can you kindly write the question as well?
Let me just see.
Yeah, now I can hear you because in between something happens. I just switched off the webcam too.
आपको अब आवाज आ रही है सारा?
अब आ रही है, अब आ रही है. I don't know बीच में क्या हो जाता है. I just switched off the webcam ताकि signals बेहतर आ जाए.
Okay. So मेरा सवाल ये था कि एक तो अपने insight develop कर ली, ठीक है?
Okay,
And
perfect.
the insight was brilliant. उसके बाद फिर people started getting on board with you.
Okay. अक्षय, अब बस एक चीज करें, मैंने ना आपका लाइक यहाँ पे हमारी एक वो चैट रूम भी था, मैंने वहां पे भी क्वेश्चन कर दिया हुआ जस्ट इन केस, बिकॉज इन बिटवीन की आवाज स्विच डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाती है, सो द क्वेश्चन
Hera? So I'm just trying to figure out कि हमारे में से इंटरनेट किसका खराब है, मेरा का है.
यहाँ पे तो सिग्नल पूरे हैं, मेरा तो सिग्नल पूरा आ रहा है सर.
या हम सब तीनों ही हम उसके शिकार हैं. I don't know.
I think this is also the peak hour, maybe the offices are closing by this time. I think soon we're going to have Miss Hira on board too. I mean, like she's going to be able to, participate. I think she's having a lot of challenges with respect to her internet. Can you hear me, Afshi?
I can hear you fine. Does this mean my internet is finally working?
Yeah, it's working. I think Afshi
Perhaps
is
turn on. It's funny because I was just gonna answer the work from home question and say things have become smoother, they're more streamlined because we have more time. But here I am, here we are glitching internet.
I think we lost Afshi.
Yeah, she's joined now. Your voice is still breaking up. Afshin, if you could put the question in the chat box, we can perhaps try and answer if that's easier.
I think we have lost Afshin. Are you there, Hira?
Guys, can you see me and hear me?
I can see you and I can hear you.
Cool. Hira, are you there with us?
Yeah. Afshin, just that like we.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Maybe it's
So even
ठीक है. अभी तो if you can hear me, so I want Hira.
I think it's better.
Yeah. So अब आप, why don't you take us through the execution of the campaign? Because मैं अभी सारा को ये कह रही थी, whenever I see that story, मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं, ठीक है? और it's a very relatable insight. Or I remember when it went into the jury session and I was there to witness and we were having discussion. और उसमें से ऐसे ही discussion एक हुआ तो एक one of the jurors said, this happened to my daughter. This is such a relatable insight कि हर एक को लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं at some point in time उनको या उनके रिश्तेदारों को they might have touched this. So why don't you take us through the execution?
So, Afshin, the special thing about this project was that from the brief itself, abhi aap baat kar rahi hain कि, you felt goosebumps. When we got the brief, that's where we felt that this project would go somewhere. Because the brief was just, and basically jo Shalimar Burns unit and packages approached us and, they said that Babar Ali Foundation, sorry, they approached us and they said, okay, look, we have all of these doctors saying that there's all of these, child burn victims and we cannot see this go on. We need you to put out of our we need you to put us out of our job. and that's huge. Like, somebody is saying that they want to be put out of work just because the work that they do is very painful for them to, kind of live through every day. And just, from that moment onwards, we took it into, so we knew that my brief pretty clear. वो कहते हैं ना कि a lot of people talk about finding freedom in a very tight brief, and that's what this was. We knew that we wanted to bring down the number of these childburn incidents. And what we also knew was because this was a healthcare campaign, so generally in the country, healthcare campaigns are viewed as, perception aisi hai कि there's flyers and very somber looking TVCs and films, but we wanted to do something very different, and we wanted it to be provocative. We wanted people to feel shocked and jolted looking at this, because वही अभी आपने बात की थी अफीन कि generally in the country people love their tea. हर वक्त की हमारे पास चाय का टाइम होता है, सुबह की चाय हो गई, शाम की हो गई, ऐसी दिल कर रहा है चाय पी ली, but what people don't realize is the gravity of this accident happening, and the high risk that it brings. People don't realize कि कितनी frequently ये होता है. And you mentioned कि somebody said कि if you had a story to share, and I think even the statistics kind of are reflective of that. Every 1 in 3 households in Pakistan has a childborn victim. So, it happens that frequently. So we knew it had to be jolting and shocking and provocative. So, when we got thinking about this, we said, look, it has to be around tea and the perils that it brings. And we said, कि चाय का जो निशान होता है या उसका जो दाग होता है, we have, we fret over it, right? हमारे कपड़ों पे चाय गिर जाए, तो suddenly we're like, oh, we can't wash this out. And अब इसको दाग लग जाएगा, इसको फौरन धो दो. So that kind of daag or that kind of nishan talked about. There's a lot of detergents out there talking about this also. But nobody thinks about the daag or the stain that this tea spill leaves on a child's skin forever. I didn't have the opportunity to attend the shoot myself, but my teammates did, and they met the child burn victims there, and I'm sure Sarah has met them also. And it just you stop dead in your tracks, and that was the idea to kind of also sort of inject authenticity in the film itself. पहले हम बात कर रहे थे कि we should have because बच्चे हैं, act कर सकेंगे नहीं कर सकेंगे, should we kind of tackle this with makeup, special effects का makeup जो होता है. But then we said, look, this has to be authentic, and it has to be genuine. It is to shock people into changing their behavior. So that was the thought behind it, and I think everybody, like from the client to us, we were all very passionately driven. And I think high point हमेशा यही होता है, आप काम लगा देते हैं online, you make the campaign, people love it, but when you get real world results, and I don't know if Sarah mentioned कि 50% drop था in the childburn incidents, and that for us made everything worthwhile. All the extra hours we put in, everything.
And Sarah, you were happy with the results of the campaign, right?
Yeah, because we as a team could see the results. So it was not about us versus agency or creative versus the client. It was like that campaign was launched on 1st of. We took the date of December, January, February, March, April, May, and for good 5 months, we could see that the decline was consistent. It wasn't that okay, fine, they just saw a video and all of a sudden, it was just a one-time incident that happened, and again in January, again the same incidents are happening and the numbers are shooting up. The decline, the 50% decline, was a YTD decline. We were comparing 1 year to the year which
सारा ब्रेक हो रही है आपकी आवाज. I think आप अगर वीडियो 1 सेकंड के लिए बंद करते हैं तो probably शायद. सारा आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है, हमें अभी भी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। हीरा, इफ यू कैन हियर हर, या ये मेरे पास ही मसला हो रहा है?
नहीं, it's breaking for me too.
आई थिंक या तो आप दोबारा से रिफ्रेश कर लें इंटरनेट को। आई एम सो सॉरी मैडम, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा। हाँ, या आई कैन हियर यू। ये हमारा पेशेंस चेक कर रहा है इंटरनेट और कुछ नहीं। I know,
I know,
बिल्कुल
and it's so many like multiple ways, so I think हम figure out भी नहीं कर सकते who it is.
हाँ, और मुझे लगता है कि वो एक टेम्पो बना होता है आपकी हर चीज का, वो उसको जो होता है ना A to Z मेरी तो एनर्जी सारा मैं बता हम सबकी एनर्जी पुल डाउन कर दी है, हम सबका पेशेंस लेवल उसने 0 कर दिया है।
ऐसा तो कभी भी नहीं हुआ, लाइक ये तो आई थिंक हमारा फर्स्ट सेशन है एक साल में, हम इतना क्लियर हुआ।
हम लोग को आदत हो गई है।
I think is it yeah. Same.
कहीं ना
Yeah, I
कहीं
was, यही मैं बात कर रही थी कि things have been running smoothly, but like it's
जब भी कुछ हमें जल्दी करना होगा ऐसे ही होता है हमारे साथ।
tech issues.
अच्छा हीरा, मुझे ये बताएं कि any two your favorite 2 campaigns?
Generally healthcare में या वैसे ही
So any और मुझे लोकल बताएं, अपने ब्रांड के अलावा बताएं कि ये मेरे 2 ब्रांड्स हैं, इसके अलावा बताएं।
I'll have to think about it a little. I think Umbrelli Steels की आई थी campaign, वो थी, it was a film. And I can't remember exactly what the line was. I think for strong people it was.
मजबूती पे थी शायद।
And
सही वाला या
what
अच्छा वाला।
generally like in Pakistan, the way to go about like a campaign generally, like yahan like aap you think big idea, big films, right? So agar hum films ki baat kare, so what really appeals to me is when you're going in with the storytelling and suddenly wo turn around kar jati hai. Then there was another, I think by Arewa, I love Arewa's work. Unka hi tha, I think Begon ka tha, where uski basically दिमाग का कीड़ा नहीं, बाकी सारे कीड़े मारे वाली जो so again King Talks, right? So I love work that kind of flips the storytelling around right at the end, like that surprises you, because if film is the way to go, then that's the way you should go, to kind of shock the user into thinking, as in the viewer into thinking ye kya hua.
आई थिंक एजेंसी के लिए तो ये बहुत क्रिएटिविटी और स्टोरी टेलिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे अगर ब्रांड टीम को उससे फायदा नहीं होता तो आई थिंक वो कैंपेन उतनी एफिशिएंट नहीं होती फॉर ब्रांड टीम। मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ आप दोनों की लड़ाई कराने की, आप दोनों बिल्कुल नहीं लड़ रहे।
For sure, I think creativity and effectiveness have to go hand in hand.
Go hand in hand. I agree with you.
ये शायद नहीं होगा।
अच्छी रिलेशंस है मुझे लग रहा है आप लोगों की आपस में। तो देखा, खामोशी हो गई है, खामोशी नीम रजामंदी है। अच्छा, I was going through this the small book I have, and इसमें quotes हैं. तो मेरे पास एक बड़ा interesting quote आया, and I thought I'll just share it with you guys. I always use my client's product. This is not todayism, but elementary good manners. तो ऐसा क्या बीबीडीओ भी ऐसे ही करता है कि जिस ब्रांड के ऊपर काम कर रहा है और जिस ब्रांड के ऊपर काम हो रहा है उसी की प्रोडक्ट्स यूज होती हैं?
Sorry, could
BBDO
you
can tell
repeat the
that better.
quote?
या सो दिस इज ओगलवी का वो कोड बुक है, छोटी सी, और उसके अंदर was browsing through it और ये बड़े मजे का मुझे लगा. I always use my clients' products. ये आप सोचिए कई साल पुरानी कोट है, एंड आई थिंक अब ये इसका मैंडेटरी होता है तो हम
That
जिस
is
एजेंसी से जाते हैं
actually
अगर वो एजेंसी बिस्किट्स का ब्रांड हैंडल करती है तो बिस्किट्स वही होते हैं, चाय का होती है तो चाय. सो ये जस्ट बिकॉज टू प्लीज द क्लाइंट बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कर रहे हैं, ये एक्चुअली ये आप लोग बिलीव करते हैं कि नहीं हमें है ये चाय पसंद इसलिए हम कर रहे हैं?
I think loyalty unless, so look, I think we're out there in the business of convincing a consumer to buy our product, right? And if we're building these communications और हम खुद ही नहीं sold हैं इस पे, so somehow there is a disconnect. Like हमेशा, like for me, like I used to work on Coke previously, and then फिर I moved on to Pepsi, but I did feel that sort of that change in loyalty, because you're constantly communicating on one thing. तो आप भी जब तक अपनी ही communications में believe नहीं करेंगे, then there's no power in what you do. So for me, it's always been loyalty. Like it just feels wrong to perhaps try out another product. Kabhi, if you're in a fix. I remember this was, I think, a few years back. We went to like a restaurant, and wahan, they only had मैं अब brands नहीं mention करूँगी, but a drink from one brand. So I had to ask for the other brand because it just didn't feel right. But the guy was nice enough to go out and find the soft drink. But yeah, I think थोड़ा सा loyalty अच्छी चीज है to मतलब अगर वो है तो it kind of goes back to show that you're loyal to your work and you believe in your work.
So Hira, अगर आप सिर्फ ये बता देंगे ना आप कराची में थी या लाहौर में थी, we'll figure out the brand ourselves.
मैं लाहौर में थी.
I got it. अच्छा, Sara, do we have you online? So this was a very ये campaign, and I think ये multiple entries में आई थी मेरे पास, and BBDO का काम. So you've worked on a lot of social good campaigns, and I remember वो bridal uniform भी हमारे पास आई थी, and it won. So I think is it easier to work on social good campaigns, or because I think ये आपका एक forte बन जाता है ना कि humanitarian काम है, social good है, so it's easier to work that way, and actually इतने सालों में आप सीख लेते हैं वो चीज़ या पकड़ लेते हैं उसको सही से.
So I think, Afshin, that's a very good question, because I think over the years, BBDO has sort of, gone from building like social good campaigns and, into like commercially very strong work. हम लोगों का मतलब commercial work भी obviously is a very strong when you look at
I think we lost you.
like 7
So guys, due to poor internet connection, we are unable to have Sara and Hira on board. So हमारा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन थोड़ा बेहतर हो गया है, लेकिन तो हम सब एक साथ मिलके बताएंगे कि हम सबके पास कौन कौन से इंटरनेट कनेक्शन है, और फिर जितने टेलकोज हैं, प्लीज आउट देयर, you need to work on it. And also to update you, this hafte we are going to announce finally how are you going to go about the gala night. क्या कर रहे हैं हम, because अभी numbers are still on rise in Karachi and we are still figuring out. But I think we'll take the best possible approach for all of us, and we'll announce the date for the FE Awards. Sara, are you there with us?
Yes, I can hear you.
मैं अभी यही बोल रही थी कि हम तीनों जो हैं वो आखिर में जब हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, so what we're going to do, हम तीनों बताएंगे हम कौन से इंटरनेट यूज करते हैं, और फिर मैं तो कम से कम आई विल राइट टू देम कि भाई ये होता है आखिर में. डेटा पूछ लें, लेकिन अगर इस सेशंस में हम वी आर फिगरिंग आउट कि क्या हो रहा है. सारा मुझे बताया यू वर हैप्पी विद द रिजल्ट्स, हमारी ये बात हुई, ठीक है. एंड हिरा तो बस थ्रू द कैंपेन किस तरह से, एंड हिरा से मैं भी डिस्कस कर रही थी बिकॉज दे डू अ लॉट ऑफ सोशल गुड कैंपेन्स. मेरा अगला सवाल फिर प्रॉब्ली होता कि बिकॉज आप लोगों ने नहीं सोचा कि यू नो हाउ अबाउट टेकिंग अ टी ब्रांड ऑन बोर्ड एज वेल.
Sorry, which brand? Can you repeat?
So I'm just saying कि how about जब आप इस campaign को develop कर रहे थे, what if एक और stakeholder on board होता और वो tea brand होती, chai in itself?
Actually, Afshin, the thing was that, at the start of the session, I discussed this, that we were not at all, like when we jumped into, the execution, so we were like not working, we rose better and things like that. We actually tapped few tea brands as well. But at the end of the day, I'm sure that, there are few tea brand representatives and they have different positioning strategies they want to take forward. They have different 3-year plan, different 5-year plan, and we respect that too. But the call was actually in our capacity, it was shared, it was highlighted, and we tried to collectively share this message as much as we can. But then you can invite someone, you can't force someone. You can invite someone, add this in their 3-year plan or their 1-year plan, or be a part of it, or join hands in the cost, but we can't really make sure that someone is actually making it a part of their cost. So that is how the situation went with respect to our way forward. But we are still open to it. Like there is a still team which is still working on BTL activations of this campaign. This campaign is not a campaign which started and ended. This campaign started having BTL phases. Right now, what's happening is that in different schools, there are games, board games taken forward. There are online sessions, interactive sessions taken forward. So the thing is that now it has broken down into BTL activations. But even at this point in time, if a tea brand wants to come take it forward, they will be more than welcome.
This was just like my point of view कि अगर वो आते तो it would have been a much more although impactful था, but वही brand जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है could have created ripples. And then my second question was कि because the campaign तो चली और खत्म हो गई, so आप way forward, तो then you answered my question. मुझे बताएं कि organic views तो आपको definitely मिल गए होंगे, because I remember the day it was launched, पूरी industry में it was circulated. How did you went about it on the media, like morning shows किए आपने, newspapers किए, POS किया, what did you do about it? Media में कैसे launch किया?
Okay, so I'll tell you about it. What happened was कि हम लोगों के ये एक viral post हो गई थी because of the content of the campaign. We did not boosted the campaign on YouTube. We did not boosted the campaign on Facebook. It virally, it rapid, it जिस तरह fire the way जब जिस तरह blaze होती है, So rapidly people started sharing it. And as you mentioned at the start of the session that, even if today I discuss this in a group of 10 people, there will be 2 people telling me, oh, this happened with my niece, or this happened with my son, or this happened with me, this happened with my sister. So people indirectly related with the cause so much that this is something we still don't talk about it, making it the, one thing which you're doing it every day. So what happened was that all of a sudden we started getting response from morning shows to BBDO also played an important role over here. There were a few companies like Hira can also comment over here, who also took this forward. They actually contacted few media representatives because they themselves want to take the word forward. That is how we got linked. And then there were few news channels. I remember Channel 92, they contacted us themselves. Like we didn't contact them. They themselves, when they looked at the social platform, they contacted us. So it was a two-way street. At times we used to knock someone's door. At times some media houses to knock ours on how to take the message forward.
Hira, would you want to add something to it? अच्छा मुझे बताएं हिरा, आप ये बताएं कि how I'm sorry Hira, you're breaking, your voice is breaking up.
I can't hear Hira.
हाँ मुझे भी आवाज नहीं, I think she's trying to reconnect.
Okay.
मुझे बताएं Sara, why do you think or feel it's important to participate in award shows?
I think that is important because first of all, it just it is a platform where you get acknowledgement, and even the team members, because most of the work done by team members are the one which is done on the backstage as well. So it gives them a sense of assurance. It gives them a sense of credibility that when they put their heart, their soul into work, they're able to come up with something magnificent. So it encourages them to keep up that pace for their future projects too. So I think that is how, in order to make sure, because I was also reading this somewhere as well that I remember in one of the HR articles that there are 2 types of motivation. One is monetary motivation and one is intrinsic motivation, in which you just pat on someone's, shoulder. And employees, they crave for intrinsic motivation way more than they crave for monetary compensation. So if you tell your employee that they've done a fantastic job by just listening to these 2 words, they will be motivated enough to give their 100% next time too. So I think it is important to recognize the effort of the ones who actually went an extra mile to create an impact.
I agree with you on that completely. Hira, आप हैं हमारे साथ ही नहीं?
Yeah. This session is a little disjointed, but I thought कि मैं आपके वो पिछले 2 सवालों के भी जवाब दे दूं. So basically, in terms of the virality of the campaign itself, now at BBDO, like we always say,
Hira, your voice is breaking up. भी हम टैग करेंगे सारे, अभी हम राउंड ऑफ करते हुए सब अपने अपने टेलकोड बताएंगे कौन सा डेटा यूज कर रहा था आपको. चलिए पहले आप बताएं सारा, मैं अपना भी बताऊंगी, and they will go to tag this session on Facebook. बताएं आप.
मैं एक चीज करती हूँ, मैं इसको लिख लेती हूँ ताकि वो बताऊंगी तो खत्म हो जाएगा. मैं इसके साथ जब आप करेंगी ना, उसके साथ आप लिखना सारा जुबैर ये इंटरनेट, हिरा ये इंटरनेट.
मैं एक्चुअली ये करने वाली हूँ, आप मुझे बताएं.
I'm on 3 devices right now. I'm using ZJazz. So I'm using a Jazz device, and I'm using a PTCL internet, जो Wi-Fi है मेरा, और plus I'm also on my Telenor home. Like I've tried all 3, none of them are working.
सारा मेरा
Yeah, I'm very much here.
Okay. चलिए जल्दी से बताएं अपना किसका डेटा यूज कर रही हैं, फिर मैं अपना भी बताऊंगी आपको।
मैं किसका यूज करी मैं आपको
हाँ।
बता देती हूँ। Like software.
बिल्कुल नहीं डरे, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है।
मुझे PTCL लगता है।
मैं भी घर पे PTCL की दुख खाई हूँ। हिरा आप किसका यूज करती हैं डेटा, आप बताएं।
Hira is going to
So
message
I
us.
have 3 right
Hira's
now.
net is the best.
I have messaged in private chat. So I'm using a Jazz device, PTCL Wi-Fi, and I'm also
Yeah,
trying to
आवाज
connect from my
अभी
Telenor hotspot.
और आप अफशी?
सो ऑफिस में हम लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइबर यूज करते हैं और घर पे मेरे PTCL लगा हुआ है, तो मैं भी दुख खाई हुई हूँ PTCL को, तो PTCL तो टैग होगा इस वीडियो में, बेफिक्र है। लेकिन मैं हिरा का और पता करूंगी उसके बाद हम टैग करेंगे और कौन कौन शामिल है इसमें। So आप लोग excited हैं awards? We are going to inshallah announce in the coming week how are you going to go about the award show. Because यहाँ कराची में तो it's number still on a hike, और हमारे पास जो decision आई है वो apparently 2 हफ्ते की लॉकडाउन है, 6 बजे सब बंद हो जाता है, घर वापस जाओ तो सब पुलिस वाले चेक कर रहे होते हैं कौन किस लिए ट्रैवल कर रहा है, so it's a pretty difficult scene in Karachi. So we're going to announce. So आप लोग क्या awards के लिए excited हैं?
Yeah,
What do you
of course.
think?
Actually, we were
जीतने वाले हैं कि नहीं बताएं?
excited about it. अभी से नहीं, like हम लोग तो like I remember जब because आप IFFI awards का होता है ना, like there's a time span that minimum it should happen before some significant months in order to evaluate the results as well. So I remember I couldn't like participate in few of the campaigns because the time was short. So I've been like on a personal level, I've been looking forward to it since 2 years now.
अच्छा मुझे बताएं वर्चुअल करते हैं हम या हम फिजिकल करते हैं, which one do you opt for?
I think virtual, keeping the current circumstances under consideration, physical will not be suitable at all. If I talk about, I'm realistic, because we all are doing work from home, and then like that, it will not be making sense to the management either.
Yeah, I agree with you. मुझे पता है how important is it to have a brilliant last week मैंने जब खत्म किया अपना सेशन, and I remember 2 चीजें थी जो उसमें बहुत हाईलाइट होती हैं कि it's so important to have a brilliant connect with the agency. दोनों की relationship, because for a winner कैंपेन दोनों को एक पेज पे आना बहुत जरूरी होता है। सो आप लोगों के साथ भी यही होता है? ये अच्छा आराम दे देते हैं या बेचारी एजेंसी आगे पीछे फिरती रहती है कि
No, the thing is, what we believe is, even in packages, the teachers this thing as well, and that is, we have to work on the insight, and we work on the insight together, and then it is the cause we have to take it forward. Either it is commercial, either it is in like non-profit. That is irrespective of the topic, but it is the cause and it is the message. How can we take it forward? So when like there comes a time when we encourage agency to think like a brand manager, and the brand manager thinks like a creative person, because there are no caps assigned to it. Like if she can come up with a fantastic idea which even Hira and I can't come up with, either in the terms of innovation of tissues. At times a person who's not really in the role does not have those barriers and can come across such innovative ideas which the person who was in the role is not able to. So I think if that is how we continue to work, we will keep on coming up with good quality work.
I agree with you completely on this one. Walking, there's no limitation, there's no barriers, anyone can come up with, and that's why that's what the brainstorming sessions brings in. I think वो value the self. Hira, मुझे बताएं जल्दी से before we the wind up the session, कि how important is it to participate in the awards?
I can't hear Hira.
हाँ मुझे भी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. I think Hira.
Can you hear her?
So Hira ने मैं live show में बता रही हूँ. So Jazz Device, PTCL and Telenor all have failed Hira today. इस सेशन में हम तीनों को टैग करने वाले हैं.
Actually, I'll tell you a fun fact.
अब बताएं.
Actually, you know what? I wasn't like I was on sick leaves, and I did not. I was having a medical condition in which I was not able to speak, and I didn't speak for 4 weeks. And you know, um, like I'm having this condition that unless and until I don't choose something, it's a long story. I will not be able to speak. And today, after I think 5-6 weeks, it was a huge challenge for me to take a session for 1 hour. But I somehow the other, even my family was like that you cannot do it. But somehow the other, I think it went well, despite
I'm
that.
so glad. No, that's the girl power, यार. I think मैं तो in शुरू में ही बोला था. It's all packed. ये सब internet की वजह से हुआ है. I'm so sorry, guys. I think we all failed. These all internet data devices have failed us miserably. हमारे पास strong fiber है तो हम इन तीनों telcos में से किसी को कुछ नहीं कह सकते. लेकिन still we are still going to tag these as promised. And thank you so much for taking out time, Hira and Sarah. I know it was a patchy session, but still we were able to take out a few things which were very important, especially कोई अच्छा काम करते हुए कोई भी brand ये ना सोचे कि why. I think it's अच्छा काम करते रहना चाहिए चाहे वो एक commercial brand क्यों ना हो. I think they should, and as you said, they were still going ahead with the campaign on a different level. And I think ये मेरा वो था कि year 1 में आपने ये कर लिया, year 2 के लिए कुछ और प्लान होगा, year 3 के लिए आपका कुछ और प्लान होगा. And that's what we aim for, because अपने ambit में रह के तो हर commercial brand काम कर रहा होता है, but going beyond that, एक सवाल मेरा था which was related to David versus Goliath. So it's a very difficult category. How do you thought that you can be a Goliath in this category? Hira, you want to take this up, or Sarah?
I'll let Hira take the lead in case she's not able to, then I will. I think Hira is not able to.
Categories decide की थी कि हम इस category में जाएंगे, इस category में जाएंगे. This case यहाँ पे ज़्यादा strong है.
No, so basically what happened was कि हम लोगों ने Hira is online.
She's online, but I think we can't hear.
Okay, so how it happened actually was that we had a session with video and we looked at the categories too. And while we were looking at the categories as well, there were few segments where we thought that few of our campaigns were strong enough, eligible enough to compete. And that was the root, or that was the stem of the concept that why we actually took this segment forward, keeping tea burn. Because if I refer to Chai Ka Nishan, even in my life, though I've been working since 7 years now in corporate sector, purely in marketing. There are a lot of campaigns which I was lucky enough to launch. But when it comes to this campaign, this is one campaign which is very dear to my heart, and it is very dear to our heart. Perhaps it's not only mine. Perhaps I refer to Umar, I refer to Ms. Hashmita Findi, the originator, Hira, and everyone in the video. So when we are so confident with respect to this campaign of ours, and we know that what is there's a lot of homework done in the background too. So when we just look at from that perspective, we thought that this is the segment we should avail. This is the segment we should take it forward, and we are very confident. Like at least over even at this point in time, we are very confident about the content, the campaign, the results which we have achieved from hot tea spills to compete in a segment which is considered to be a very highlighted segment.
ठीक है. I think we're just going to round it here only. Thank you so much, Sara and Hera. Guys, ये poll का result था where the campaign won, but that doesn't mean कि ये FE Awards के winner है. We
We
still
are
have
very clear about it.
but for all the other people around there, we're still going to go ahead with the awards show, inshallah, or winners हम कुछ then announce करेंगे. Till then, you'll have to look forward to our social media pages for more updates. Till then, Hera and Sara, thank you so much for taking time out and taking us through the campaign, which was a wonderful one. And I think I wish you best of luck, and I hope
Thank you,
your
Abhi.
campaign wins.
Hope to see you
And
soon.
yeah, see each other in much more better circumstances. Thank you,
Inshallah.
everyone. Doctors.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.